Do you think you're too old to start over? Imagine being in your 50s, feeling that familiar tug, the urge to begin anew. It's intimidating, yes, the fear and doubt nipping at your heels. But there's also excitement, a sparkle of anticipation. You realize that age is merely a measure of time, not potential. You decide to take the leap, to embrace this new journey, because after all, you've got a wealth of experience behind you. Age is a number, and the decision to start over is a choice. Starting anew is not a walk in the park. It comes with its own set of hurdles. Adapting to new routines may feel like learning to walk again, and the fear of the unknown might seem overwhelming. But remember, these difficulties are not age-specific. They are simply part of the journey met by everyone who dares to venture into new territories. These challenges may seem daunting, but they are stepping stones, not stumbling blocks. Challenges are part of the journey, but they don't define the destination. Every cloud has a silver lining. With every step forward, even the smallest, we are met with triumphs. Discovering new passions that ignite our spirits, meeting people who broaden our horizons, and acquiring a fresh perspective on life. Imagine the joy of overcoming challenges, the satisfaction of standing tall against the odds. It's not just about starting over, it's about creating a richer, fuller life with every new day. Every triumph is a testament to our resilience. Each victory, small or big, is a step toward a new life. So, what's the real deal about starting over in your 50s? Well, it's like being handed a blank canvas with a palette full of colors. Your past knowledge and experiences, they're your colors, your tools. They're not shackles, they're wings. Use them to soar into new adventures, to paint new experiences and ideas. Don't fear the new, embrace it. Savor the thrill of learning, of exploring, of growing. Remember, you're not starting from scratch, you're starting from experience. It's never too late to start over. And now it's your turn. We've shared our insights, our experiences, even our challenges, but this journey is as unique as you are. So, are you ready to take that step? Ready to embrace the thrill of a new beginning? If this video sparked something in you, give it a thumbs up. Show your support and share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more empowering content. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. We're here to support, inspire, and learn from each other. Let's start this new chapter together. It's time to paint your canvas.